Raju's grandma had a parrot named Kiki. Kiki could say hello and good morning, but one day it decided to play a trick. Grandma loved drinking her tea every morning. As she reached for her cup, Kiki shouted, "Hot, hot, don't drink!" Grandma stopped and blew on her tea. She tried again, and Kiki again shouted, "Still hot, wait, wait!" Grandma waited and waited until Raju arrived. "Grandma, your tea is already cold. Kiki tricked you." Grandma shook her head, laughing. From that day on, whenever Kiki said hot, hot, everyone knew it was a just mischievous little parrot.